Hey everybody, today we're going to do an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Pro. I just got the package from Amazon and we're just going to start unboxing it now. Well, it looks to be in order, no surprises. Okay, so here we are, sealed box pack. You see here there is a seal from Samsung which says do not accept if seal is broken, obviously. Okay, so now we have the box removed, all the seals taken off, and let's go ahead and unbox it now and see what's inside the box. I just love this slow vacuum air kind of an unboxing. Apple and Samsung do this quite a lot. Yes, here we go. So inside the box, as you see, you have a nice big charging brick, and when I say big, it's small compared to most of the laptop charging bricks that you get. I believe this is a 100-watt charger if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to check that. Yes, so you can also charge your other devices like your phones, etc. Let's take that out. And here we are. Oh, that's really light. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Pro. We're gonna just take that out in a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. Here are some literature which probably I will never read, so keep this away. And this is of course a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging the laptop. Yeah, that's about it inside the box. So I'm going to just close the box now and open up the laptop. Nice paper packaging. Of course, they don't use any plastic now, as is the norm with most of the companies. Oh, that's nice. That looks really nice. It is an aluminum body and does attract fingerprints. I believe it will in the long run, but it's really lightweight. It's nice. It's 1.17 kgs and it feels quite well built and sturdy. And look at how slim this is. And I like this wedge shaped design. So it's like reminiscent of MacBook Airs and very slim and nice. This is the graphite color. It looks very sleek and very understated, which I like. So let's go ahead and remove this final piece of paper packaging. I believe I can open it with one finger. Yes, I think I can. Here we go. Laptop open. Last piece of packaging removed. And here we are. Yes friends, this is the Samsung Galaxy Book 360 Pro. Sorry, it's not a 360. It's a Book 3 Pro. I didn't take the 360 version because I somehow don't have or find the need for convertible laptops. I just like the normal form factor. Here you have also a small little sticker for the fingerprint sensor, and we are just gonna check now for any kind of dust or any scratches. Doesn't seem to be anything. Looks like a properly sealed pack. Yes, so we're gonna just boot it up. I hope there is some charge left on this and get a first impression. No, there seems to be no charge on this. Well, there seems to be no charge on this, so I'm just going to show you around the laptop once again. The laptop, as you can see, is very slim and has got a good number of legacy ports here, and USB-C, so good port selection. Of course, we're going to do a thorough review on this, but this was the unboxing and the first impressions video of the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Pro. I'm going to charge it up and boot it up for you and show you the first boot. As you can see, it opens with just one finger. It's really nice. There's a little bit of screen wobble that I can see, but nothing too bad. And yes, so let's boot this up and I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so now the laptop is charging. There was absolutely no charge in the laptop, and the USB-C cable that you get with the laptop is good, but it's a little bit short. So I would say get a longer USB cable if your charging point is a little away from your laptop. Also, I always wish that there was one USB-C port on this side of the laptop, so it's always easier to get it and fix it here. So of course that depends on where your wall outlet is, but never mind. We will now boot up the laptop and just see the boot time. Since it's an Evo certified laptop, the boot time should be fairly quick and looks like it is. And first impression, what you get is that display. I mean, this is a dynamic AMOLED 2x 120 Hz display. Absolutely fantastic. It's an OLED display and you can immediately make out the deep blacks even on the boot screen. So let's just boot it up and get our first impression. So we have now booted up, and of course I'm going to set up the laptop. This is a Intel Core i7 1360p CPU inside with 16 GB of RAM and an Intel Iris Xe graphics. Of course, the big highlight here being the lightweight of the laptop and the dynamic AMOLED 120 Hz 2x screen. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to set up this laptop and start using it so I can give you a much in-depth review. I hope you like this first unboxing and quick impressions of, rather first impressions of this really beautiful laptop. Do tune in for my next video, which will be a in-depth review of this laptop after I use it for a considerable amount of time. Thank you so much for watching my channel and my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.